Boom, boom,
It's
boom.
actually really cool to watch him. He's so quick and efficient.
That's our favorite place to eat breakfast.
I'll tell you what, I only went one time years and years and years ago. If you want bacon sandwiches, Crown Candy, you can't even eat all the bacon they serve.
Oh, yes, I can.
Well, what I would do, if it was me, I would put it in.
You what?
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Just gotta take a look.
I haven't been here in years.
They have pretzel bites
Oh, we always come here once a year after the Ronald
after
McDonald
Ronald
House.
McDonald House. We tried to get you to come one time, but you weren't feeling good.
I had had.
Well, yeah, you were.
American Bandstand like place there. They had kind of good food, like a timer, you know.
One of the places we liked the best was we went to a bowling alley that was a big fancy restaurant.
Yeah, it was in
bowling
like a
alley.
touristy area.
It was down on the lake.